Do you want dynamic, colourful and interactive Power BI slicers? In this video, we're going to see how. Hi, my name is Anne from Adair-Major Consulting. We help companies with their technology and digital transformation, and in these videos, we share helpful guides to use common tools like Power BI. Today, we're transforming the standard button slicer into a dynamic RAG status indicator. As you can see, I've already added the button slicer. First, let's give these buttons a modern look. In the Format Visual pane, under Shape, we'll add the rounded corners. Now, for the colours. We want a distinct look when a button is active. In the Button section, the Apply Settings to drop down, and this is where the magic happens. Under Fill, click the FX button for Conditional Formatting. This will let us set up rules. So for RAG status, in the field value, we type red and we pick a dark red. In amber, we choose an amber colour, and green, type green and choose a green colour. Next, let's add a hover effect. Change the Apply Settings to drop down to Hover, then repeat the conditional formatting for Show, using the same rules, but this time choose slightly lighter shades of our red, amber and green for a subtle visual cue. And just like that, see how it works? Hovering gives a hint and selecting locks in that status colour. It's much more intuitive. Finally, let's set the default state. Change the Apply Settings to Default. Under Fill, we'll pick a single colour that matches our company theme. We'll also quickly go to Callout Values and make the text a little bit bigger and centre for a cleaner look. And there you have it, a professional dynamic RAG slicer that really enhances your report. We hope that this quick guide helps you build more engaging Power BI report. For more tips and support, please like and subscribe to our channel.